Good day, viewers, and welcome to Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Today, we shall be discussing a topic on physics, which is causes of motion. But before we do that, do not forget to like this page and also subscribe. If you have questions, write it on the comment section. All right, thank you so much. Remember, in our previous video, we gave a detailed explanation of motion and its types. But today we shall look at what is actually causing the motion. So, what causes motion of an object is force. The motion of an object is caused by force. An object will remain, look at it. This is an object here with a mass m. It will remain here for years unless this force F has to act upon this body before the body can be what? Moved. So force is that agent which changes body state of rest or even tends to stop the motion of an object. That is force. Now let us look at this force, types of force. We have two types of what? Force. Number one is what? Contact force. Then the other one is what? Field force. Now, we call it field force or force field. Let's look at the first force. The contact force we are talking about exists when two bodies are in contact. For example, when a body pushes another body or another body pulls. When it pulls another body, look at here. This is a contact force because this body remains here until a force has to push it. So this type of force is contact force. Another example of contact force is when you have tension. For example, this is a load. A load is hung elsewhere. So when a load is hung elsewhere, this is a load with what? A tiny rope. This is a load of what? M of mass. So this here, in this place, there is tension in this string here. So this type of force is what? Contact force. Another example of contact force is force of friction. Friction is a force that exists between two bodies in contact. For example, look at this place here. This is a box. Here, there is another force here between this surface and this box. So this type of force that is here, it requires what? Surfaces to contact, which means friction is example of a contact force. Now let's move to field force or force field. Now this field force is a type of force that is experienced without what? Surface in contact. It is a force that is experienced within a region of a space. For example, when we have magnetism is another force that does not require any surface in contact. Taking for example, when you have iron filing or you have what? Pieces of nail, you bring out what? A bar magnet. Take it close a bit. The magnet will attract those iron material. So that example is what? Field force. Another area is what? The force of gravity. Force of gravity is another example of what? Field force, because it does not require surface for contact. For example, if I throw this object up, it goes down. Within this region, between here and the landing points, that is where the force is experienced. So it is this force of gravity that pulls it down, which does not require surface of contact. The next one is what? Electric force. There is a region in electric circuit, so whereby this force is what? Experienced. So that's how far we can go in our explanation of forces and their types. So the next topic will be friction. I will go to look at what friction. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also share this video. God bless you as you do so.